Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Lunar Classic video update for Saturday, 2nd of July. And right now we are looking at some amazing pumps to the upside for Lunar Classic. So what I'm gonna do is go back into the daily, and here we are for the daily time frame. Now I highly doubt if we are really bullish anytime soon. So don't get excited just yet. Okay, so don't get too much excited because there is something that I want to talk about, and that's going to be quite important to talk about. And I told you about this one resistance that you're really going to break in order for you to continue higher, and that's going to be the 16 level. So break the 16, hold it, and there's a good chance that you're really going to move to the upside and you're going to go even way more higher. Can you go high? Can it move higher? Yes, certainly, for sure, you actually can move higher. But before that, saying that a coin is gonna go high is your own thinking, and actually applying logic is better than having your own thinking, right? Number one, let's go to Google and write in a shooting star candlestick and talk about the shooting star candlestick in the images here. So let me open this one up, maybe open that up. This one right over here is going to be better. The candlestick you see after an uptrend here, so that's big long wick to the upside with the body closing like this, is a bearish candlestick, and that is what appeared right over there. Number one, you really, even before breaking that 16 level, you certainly must break the 14 level to actually even go to the 16 and break the 16 to go higher. So this is a reversal candlestick to go to the downside. Yes, if you do break it, the highest part of it, then that's not in effect anymore. But right now, as long as you're below that level, it is in effect. That's number one. Number two, go to 4-hour time frame, go to tradingview.com, open up the charts, and try to draw this along with me, okay? So let's do this. Elliott wave theory. Boom. Elliott wave theory can happen in so many different time frames. One of the images that I just want to show you is this one. Very simple one, okay? And if you want to learn all of this, I do have a trading course, by the way. The link is in the description of the video. You can check the trading course if you want to learn all trading in detail. So wave one, wave two, wave three is going to be the highest, wave four, and then you have the wave five. So what follows up after the Elliott wave theory is an ABC correction, right? And ABC, if I show you this image, by the way, this one looks better because the C correction is huge than the A correction. So A, you make a little bit of a pull to the upside, and then you go to the downside. Right, so if I actually remove all the drawings right now so that we can get a clear concept, I want you to go to the side here, click on the XABCD patterns, and I want you to go down to Elliott impulse wave, okay? So if you click on that one and zoom out, this is going to be your A, or the first wave, the second wave, the third wave, fourth wave, and then you had that higher fifth wave, okay? So Elliott wave is already completed on this 4-hour time frame. It's already done, it already played out. So what do you do after the Elliott wave theory is you make an ABC correction, okay? So the ABC correction is what I'm looking forward to. And if I actually bring, again, you can just go to the patterns here and click the ABC correction, this one, Elliott correction wave, and that's going to be the A, right? And then you have the B, and probably the C is going to be huge, maybe take you down to 7868. Who knows? It can actually take you all the way down there. Now, in order for us to actually know where the hell you're going to go and retrace towards, then again, all of this is in my trading course, 18 hours of contents you want to learn. So take the bottom here all the way to the top, and yes, I'm probably even getting the clues right now. So look at the fib retracement. Before you're buying something, this is why you really want to learn trading. It helps you get the idea if you want to buy or not. So if I do help you out, 0.236, okay, you're finding resistance. Look at that, you are below 0.236, so that's a resistance. You really want to retrace all the way down to the golden ratio and hold the golden ratio, which actually completes the A. Did you just notice how you bounce off the 0.382? and now you're finding support there just to bounce a little bit higher to find resistance to the 0.236, and then you take all the way down, you're looking for that bigger C wave to the 0.618. Now the problem really is if you start to lose the golden ratio, which is going to be the 0.618, that's going to be a bigger problem to actually go for a reversal wave, and that takes you all the way down to 2467. That is something that you have to keep in mind. Again, if you want to learn, the trading course the link is in the description of the video. You actually lose this level, you're looking to down to that level, and that's going to be a bigger problem. Okay, really big problem. So for me, the take is, if I just remove, try to clean all the things, all I'm going to say is first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, A, B, the C. The C actually just takes you somewhere near that level, okay? Somewhere like that one. If somehow you actually try to close below this line, then that's not going to be good. And that's why I do say this. And that's why I say, if you want to continue higher, break the highest part of it. If you do break the highest part, then you're really creating a very different pattern, and you're really, invalidating that Elliott wave theory. It's not going to be in effect anymore. But right now, so far, it's in effect. It's right on the money. The only thing that is left is the C correction. Probably that will be an amazing entry level if you're not going to lose this level in the next coming few days. If you lose that level, then you're going to have to close the trade and everything. Yeah, so it is what it is right now. All I want to look at, the next thing is actually the weekly and how the weekly is shaping into be. So the weekly is looking really superb, overextended, and you do have some level of potential retracements to the downside, of course, but one of the levels is going to be this one right here. You can actually even end up bouncing from this place, which is going to be 9981. So just retrace a little bit here, maybe go higher, who knows. But the 4-hour time frame actually gives me a better vibe of what to look forward to in the next coming few days. Now the monthly has already started. We've already seen 2 months before as well. Who knows, the monthly can actually be so negative that you start to even go all the way down and create the reversal wave to come down to this level, which is going to be the 2367. Just as I told you, you come down to the golden ratio, you bounce off the golden ratio, and you must hold this 8000 level, right? If you end up losing the 8000 level, that actually means a reversal can also be created all the way down to come here. That's something that I just see, okay? No financial advices though, just do your own research. This is my own comment on this one, comment on the Luna Classic. We've seen Terra Luna picking up so good, moving against Bitcoin as well. But I do have some doubts about continuing higher. The doubt is because of of how Bitcoin really looks like. Now the daily time frame as well, you can already see that you did actually put in a bearish pattern right there. So if you actually take out the bearish pattern, that can end up being amazing to continue higher to the upside. And that's it for today's update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.